had a chance to interview Jimmy Akena, the party president of Uganda People's Congress, while having political rallies for mobilizing for 2026 general election in Agago district. Jimmy Akena responded to a number of questions, including the issue of General Muhoozi Kainerugaba from me. I asked him what he thinks about the general, and here is what he had to say.
Very much. Lastly, from me, you come from the first family. You're first son to the former president, and we also have a first son, that is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, who is highly anticipated to also come in the game. I don't know when it will happen. His name has also entered deep in the villages here, but as you know, controversial statements from him, especially from a platform called Hex, has sparked a lot of fear from many people. So how do you feel whenever you hear about controversial tweets from General Kainerugaba Muhoozi?
For me, I'm a politician. I've been a politician for some time. I've been 20 years in public life in Uganda, but before that I've been involved in politics at a very high level. And what I say, I realize what I say has to carry some weight. So I gauge what I'm saying and what audience I'm speaking to. So I take what I call the family heritage, the family mission, the politics. Very important that I'm not going to be careless in how I handle and how I communicate the issues which I'm dealing with. So I really try to use that platform to communicate, to enhance cohesion, to bring people together and to give people focus on where they're supposed to go. Of course, there are people who love controversy, but that is not me. I am going to use my platform positively.
Thank you.
Muhoozi has had a lot of controversial public statements, like fearful or fear-sending statement towards General Eluelo, also issue of Dr. Kizza Besigye, and also the ruling of the Supreme Court, which is also still related to Dr. Kizza Besigye's issue on trial of civilians in the military court. So all these things have also gone deep to the villages of Uganda, and many Ugandans are scared about Muhoozi. But those who love him calls him the young lion.